Assalamualaikum, welcome to another new video tutorial. Today we create an amazing loading animation which are around the globe. Also glow effect with text, and this is loading with a nice background images. This is fully responsive design. Let's go to our coding. This is index.html file and style.css file. These projects are created by HTML and CSS. We will provide the source code in video description. This is full CSS file. Please stay with us. We are using Visual Studio Code as a code editor. If you want to run this project on live server, you may click go live to run live server. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get update for new video and notification.